Welcome back to the JW Auto channel. Today, let's revisit the BMW R 1300 GS model year 2025 with a focus on two innovative features. And let's hear what Rena Things, the product manager responsible for all the changes to the new R 1300 GS Adventure, has to say. For the 2025 model update, the R 1300 GS introduces two innovative features that aim to enhance your riding experience and prioritize your safety on the road. At Speed Setter offers an automatic transmission assistant and a rear and collision warning system, which means that the rider can choose to change the transmission manually using the transmission pedal that is on the left foot, but without having to use the connector. What sets it apart from the famous transmission assistant, also known as fast transmission, is that from starting from zero to braking back to zero, the connector does not need to be pulled anymore. In fact, there is no connector lever anymore, and for more convenience, the rider can also switch from M to D at any time for a new experience, while the transmission will automatically transfer to the choice of riding mode. Eco, Rain, Road and Enduro directly affect the response characteristics of the bike. Now let's focus on the new rear end collision warning system. Similar to AC or active cruise control sensors in the front, we have integrated radar sensors in the rear. As well as these sensors detect when a vehicle is approaching too fast and warn the traffic behind you by quickly flashing bright taillights and preventing accidents. Also, vehicle adaptive house suspension can be combined along with sports suspensions in the future. I am sure you have many questions, so please ask them in the comments, and tuning in for answers will be coming soon. Thanks for watching.